फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्रोफेशनल टॉप बाय आसी। दोस्तों, आशा है कि आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे और सुरक्षित होंगे। प्लीज़ अपना ख्याल रखें, अपने आसपास सफाई रखें, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को मेंटेन करें और अगर आपके यहाँ लॉकडाउन लगा है तो प्लीज़ उसको फॉलो करें। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने अपने वैक्सीनेशन प्रोसेस को पूरा नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ उसे भी पूरा कर लें। दोस्तों, आज के वीडियो में हम बनाएंगे टर्मिनेशन लेटर। दोस्तों, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने बताया था अपॉलॉजी लेटर टू बॉस। अगर आपने उस वीडियो को मिस किया है तो आप नीचे दिए गए लिंक्स पर क्लिक करके उनको देख सकते हैं। उसी सीरीज में लास्ट आता है टर्मिनेशन लेटर टू एम्प्लॉय। फ्रेंड्स, इसके बारे में आप सभी जानते हैं कि इस तरीके के लेटर्स को आपको किन सिचुएशंस में यूज़ करना है। तो चलिए सीधा स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कर लें और साथ ही इस बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक करें, जिससे आपको हमारे आने वाले वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाएंगे। तो उसमें सबसे पहला टाइप है टर्मिनेशन लेटर सिंपल टाइप। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। डेट to Mr. K. Tiwari, Sales and Marketing Department, ABC Company, Delhi. Subject: termination of employment. Dear Mr. Tiwari, with deep regret, we take this opportunity to inform you that your employment services have been terminated with immediate effect. The decision was tough. We tried our best to avoid reaching at this stage, but despite various warnings to you in previous mails and reminders to pay attention to your duties, no improvement is observed in your work performance. We humbly request you to please submit all the necessary company assets within next 3 days to HR department to obtain clearance certificate, followed by submission of certificate to accounts department enabling them to process your salary till date in your account. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thanking you, best regards, your name followed by your contact details. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट टाइप है टर्मिनेशन लेटर ड्यू टू पुअर वर्क परफॉर्मेंस। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। डेट to Mr. Jacob Roy, Sales and Marketing Department, ABC Company, Delhi. Subject: termination of employment. Dear Mr. Roy, this letter is being written to inform you of your termination as sales representative at ABC Company due to your poor performance. We have already warned you a number of times verbally and via emails enclosed for reference, even assigned your team leader to support you personally and offer training sessions to improve your sales. But unfortunately, we have not seen any change in your performance and seriousness towards your work duties. We request your kind understanding that we at ABC works in team environment, and any team member who is not delivering desired results affects efficiency of the whole team and further may affect entire company. It has been observed that many of your customers are not happy or satisfied with you being their account holder. Even your behavior towards other team members was rude. As per our records, company HR department tried to offer you counseling sessions as it may help you to improve your work performance, which you refused to accept. This is evident enough that you are not serious towards your work. Please note that this termination is effective immediately. Also, please note that even after your termination, you are still bound by confidentiality agreement. You are kindly requested to please submit all the company assets and other important information to Mr. Sisodia and obtain clearance certificate which is required to be submitted to accounts department to process your salary till date. We wish you best of luck for your future opportunities. Thanking you with best regards, your name followed by your contact details. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट टाइप है टर्मिनेशन लेटर फॉर पुअर वर्क परफॉर्मेंस, ऑल्सो हाईलाइटिंग द रीजंस। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। डेट to Mr. Arvind Rana, Purchase Department, ABC Company, Delhi. Dear Mr. Rana, this letter is to inform you that effective today 1st March 2022, you are being dismissed from ABC Company. Your dismissal is due to poor performance over a 6 months period. The specifics that lead to this decision are detailed below. When you were hired, your manager discussed the company's performance expectations with you. These expectations were presented to you again during your orientation, at which time you signed a confirmation stating that you read and understood these expectations. However, you have failed to meet all expectations. The company even provided you additional training. Still, your performance doesn't improve as compared to other members of team received similar training. Besides this, you were assigned account of customer to manage their upcoming orders and accordingly reached to concerned departments to get the order processed in proper time. But again, same was not properly delivered by you, and even customer was also not happy with you handling their account. The above is evident enough that at the moment you are not ready to work in our organization to match as per our expectations. The decision is final. We kindly request to please return all the company items at HR department within 3 working days and collect your salary till date from the accounts department. For any additional information or assistance, please feel free to reach to accounts department. Thanking you. Best regards. Your name followed by your contact detail. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट टाइप है टर्मिनेशन लेटर ड्यू टू बैड बिहेवियर और बैड कंडक्ट। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। डेट टू मिस कविता कौशिक, परचेज डिपार्टमेंट, ABC कंपनी, दिल्ली। सब्जेक्ट टर्मिनेशन फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑन द अकाउंट ऑफ बैड कंडक्ट। डियर मिस कौशिक, with this letter we inform you that as of this moment you will no longer be employed by our company. Your conduct was found reprehensible. After the completion of our company's disciplinary process, specifically we refer to, it was observed earlier that during the procurement of machines in phase 1, there were some leaked in the pricing information to some suppliers. You were given a warning after sufficient proof obtained that leak was made due to your carelessness. It was also clearly mentioned that these are against company policies and work ethics. A warning mail also sent to you informing the same. However, similar incident happened this time as well. It was observed that again some price information and machine specifications are shared with suppliers without consent of management. This is not acceptable and we have no choice but to take strict action. Our company gives serious attention to all policies governing its operation. By disregarding them and creating an unpleasant environment, you have jeopardized the well-being of our business and your colleagues. We have an obligation to amend that. Upon termination, all benefits associated with your position are no longer valid. You are requested to return all the company assets you currently have in your possession within next 3 working days to the HR department. Keep in mind that you are bound by our confidentiality policy. Any information that you received in the course of your work regarding our customers, company, partners, etc. must not be disclosed to any party. Such information must also be deleted from all your personal devices. In addition, you have also signed up for an agreement, so you are bound not to work in similar industry for next 3 years. Any disregard of the above terms and conditions, company has right to take legal actions. You are entitled to your monthly salary will be paid once HR department give clearance certificate that all the above conditions are fulfilled by you. The decision is non-reversible. We advise you to read our disciplinary action policy carefully. If you would like documentation for this case against you, the Human Resource Department remains at your disposal. Thanking you with best regards, your name followed by your contact details. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स आता है लास्ट टाइप, टर्मिनेशन लेटर ड्यू टू रिसेशन। फ्रेंड्स, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कंपनीज एम्प्लॉयज़ को अफोर्ड ही नहीं कर पाते या कर नहीं सकते। जैसे कोविड पैंडमिक में काफ़ी सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ को जॉब से टर्मिनेट करना पड़ा क्योंकि कंपनीज उनको आगे सैलरी नहीं दे सकते थे। उन सिचुएशंस में भी आप ये लेटर बना सकते हैं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। डेट टू मिस्टर एरियाज, लॉजिस्टिक्स डिपार्टमेंट, ABC कंपनी, दिल्ली। सब्जेक्ट टर्मिनेशन लेटर ड्यू टू रिसेशन। डियर मिस्टर रियाज, we are sorry to inform you that your employment with ABC company will be terminated with effect from 2nd March 2022. Due to the difficult economic situation, we are forced to lay off some of our staff. This was not an easy decision. Your performance has always been good and we are happy to work with you, but unfortunately there is little that can be done. Please consult with the accounting department and other departments for information regarding your severance pay, insurance and other employment issues. Please keep in mind that even after your termination, you are still legally bound by the privacy and confidentiality terms that you signed and agreed upon at the beginning of your employment. Please consult with the legal department for more information regarding the same. We will be happy to provide recommendation letter upon your request. We are sorry about this and we wish you best of luck in your career. Yours sincerely, your name followed by your contact details. तो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ ख़त्म होते हैं हमारे मेजर टाइप्स के टर्मिनेशन लेटर्स। आप इनको यूज़ करके अपने अकॉर्डिंग अपने लिए लेटर्स बना सकते हैं। और अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो ऑफ कोर्स आप हमें कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं। दोस्त, होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें और साथ ही अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लोज वंस के साथ भी शेयर करें। तो ओके फ्रेंड्स, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।